Okay, so this is the orbit adjustment, right? So we're going to either slow down or speed up. Those are the two questions, right? So we'll talk about it, right? But let's first answer the question the way it's asked, okay? If we slow down at x, right, remember that what it's going to do is it's going to bring the opposite side in. It's going to still go around the central body. It's going to bring the opposite side in. And we're going to get an orbit that is entirely within the outside orbit, right? And the other side has been brought in. It's going to be tangent where you slowed down. It's very hard to do this with a bamboo stylus, so don't laugh at me. Okay? Now, if you speed up, the new orbit is entirely outside, and what it's going to do is bring this side of the orbit out, right? So speeding up is going to do a little thing like that, right? There you go. So it's always going to be tangent where you executed the control maneuver. It's always going to bring, if you speed up, right, it's going to bring the other side out like that, right? Okay. Same thing is true here. Okay, if I speed up, it's going to bring this side out. Okay, so it's going to be like, yeah, and the new orbit is going to be, whoa, that's supposed to be the same spot, right? So it goes through the same spot here, it just brings that side out. That's speeding up, right? So speeding up enlarges the orbit, right? Slowing down makes the orbit smaller. Don't forget, you have to go around the central body, okay? Now let's consider the other possibility, right? What if this said slow or speed up, right? Well, if it's sped up, we'd bring this side out, right? Okay, so what would be outside this guy, right? More elliptical like that, right? Okay, what if we slowed down here? What if we slow at the x? Well, if we slow at the x, it's going to bring this side in, right? So possibly our new orbit would look like this, right? You know, so we could slow it like that, right? Okay. If we speed up, well, let's do this. Let's make this slow, right? If we slow at that point, right, we're going to bring this side in. Now we're still going to go around the central body. Don't be like doing some kind of crazy thing here, right? Like that. It's going to be even more elliptical, right? So slowing always brings the other side in. The place where you fire it is never changes. In all of these, you always go through the place where you fired the shot, right? But the other side is always, you always bring that. If it's slowing down, you bring the other side in. If you're speeding up, it's bringing the other side out, is what you do. Okay. Yeah, I think they're fairly simple. This was meant to be an easy question, but hopefully it's not going to be the one that gets you or something like that. There you go.